All right guys, quick review of this budget drone from Contixo. This is the F28 foldable GPS drone. It is a full 2K resolution drone. We're gonna open up the box. Okay, right away, you get a nice carry case here. Seems to be rugged and durable. Got dual zippers on it and a nice comfortable rubber carry handle. Okay, nice weighty manual with good illustrations. Here's your remote control. Pretty much standard fare, foldable. You fold this up and you'll put your smartphone here. Now I have tested this with a Galaxy Note 9 and it holds it with no problem. So anything smaller than that, maybe even a little bit bigger, should have no problems here. Feels nice and comfortable in your hands. Okay, here's the drone itself. Very lightweight. There's the battery. The drone does come with 2 batteries. I do like that you can check the level of the battery by holding down the button. Okay, so this is foldable, and you have a mini drone here. Now keep in mind this is a non-3-axis gimbal drone. It does have a basic gimbal and a gimbal protector here. I do like that it does come with this gimbal protector. So what this will do is it'll help to absorb, some of the wind buffeting and things like that. But what this will not do is give you a steady image that would be found in a more expensive 3-axis gimbal drone. So you are going to get some shakiness with this, but that's to be expected at this price point. So it goes down to look at what's underneath, and then it goes straight forward. Okay, let's take a look at some flight video and then pictures here while I read the specs to you. Okay, so this has all the features that you would expect from this price point: GPS control, follow me capability, selfie mode, waypoint, orbit mode, where it circles around whatever your target is, 1 key takeoff and landing, 1 key spiral, time-lapse photography, panoramic shooting, and more. Your resolution is coming at 2048 by 1152 at 25 frames per second. This does have brushless motors, so that's great for battery life. Has a flight range of around 1,700 feet. The camera utilizes 5.0 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Your video transmit range is about up to 1,000 feet. Flight time is up to 30 minutes. That's going to change depending on how strong the wind is and how many tricks you're doing with the drone and things like that. This weighs 271 grams or 9.6 ounces, and it supports an SD card of up to 128 gigs. Photos are in alignment from what you would expect from a budget drone. Altogether, I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5 stars because it is a good budget drone. You get a lot of features that you would have in a more expensive drone, minus the 3-axis gimbal. This would be great for beginner or intermediate flyers. Video image quality is on par with what you would expect for a budget drone of this price point. So altogether, I do recommend this as a good budget option.